moves. I'm on the highway and I post up my thing. It's still the way we go. We Coleman District, dog, and that's all we know. See, I'm a fly man. See, I get paper. You wanna see me? I'll see you later. They be like, damn, Bob, you going off again. I be like, yeah, Bob, I am the weatherman. I come from Coleman District, that's where I hellbound. And deep down there, dog, we all is hellbound. We is the danger zone. Come and try us if you want. We make you fly away, make you jump. This ain't no written shit. I be on my grown man. Take your bitch, drop her drawers, flip it, then I roll, man. Okay, let me break them off. This shit so fucking hard. I walked out the front door, dog, and I just went off. My suit is fire mode, my game is fire slow. I got them Eskimo, so that mean they legs froze. Them hoes seeing me, I meant they being me. All up on my D-I-C-K, all they wanna be with me. Alright, let's ride away, get hot and ride it, babe. If you got problems, then let's now get the eyes of me. Express and walk away, I grab the harder way. Aha, what's up? Ain't no way for to play. You pick it, 4th and 1. Here we come, we gun a gun. We hit them once, we finish done. Yeah, that's the way we won. But I figured out. Back to the business when I whip them out. Back to the business when I figure them out. Yeah, this is the way it went down. Bobby so cold when he come from the dome. He just let them all know that he bout to go blow, bout to go, bout to go fro, bout to get no, bout to get go, yeah. And whatever I say is whatever I mean. You don't got no problems, then just get the fuck up away from me. We gon' ride, man. All my crew gon' do the same. We Coleman District, yeah, that's what it is, and you gon' remember the name. We all gon' make plays because I'm the quarterback, I'm the CEO, the BOS, dog, and you know that. They will sack you, I hold that as a fact. Still the stand mint, and I will grill. I'm way trill, not to mention I'm below the hill and on top the hill. Nigga, this is my place, and this is my town. Iowa, and I hold it down. Fort Dodge don't make no sound. We all about that. We all about that. You got a problem? Well, tell them where them boys at. Coleman District Customs. We on the move, man. Coleman District Customs. We making moves, man. Alright, we riding. Coleman District Customs. We ride. Salute. You boys but trust them. Don't fuck with them or don't truck them. Eat them, finish them quickly. I'm fucking done. Throw up my next one. Lunch mode, bitch bun. Yeah, fuck that. It's Coleman District Customs, dog, bitch, and this is one. We ride, man.